Vermont WIC program Cashier training. This training is intended as a yearly refresher training for experienced cashiers that already understand the basics of the Vermont WIC program. We will review why ongoing training matters, what is new this year, cash value benefit, WIC transaction steps, common mistakes to avoid, what to do when items don't go through, respect and privacy, and when to ask your manager for help. Why ongoing training matters. WIC requires annual training of all cashiers because WIC policies and benefits can change from year to year. Training helps you stay confident and informed. As a cashier, you play a key role in making sure families feel welcome and supported. What's new this year? The Vermont WIC Foods Insert. This insert highlights new WIC-approved foods, brands, and sizes. This is a supplement to the existing Vermont WIC Foods and Shopping Guide. Check with your manager about any additional system changes or transaction updates. Changes to WIC food benefits are highlighted in the Vermont WIC Foods Insert and are effective October 1st, 2026. There are new breakfast cereals authorized and some discontinued cereals. We have added additional plant-based milks with new brands and varieties and some flavored options. Cash value benefit reminder. Fruits and vegetables use a set dollar amount called the cash value benefit. The customer's gold card has a dollar amount limit for these items. If they go over, they can choose to not purchase the item or pay the balance with a different payment option. WIC transaction steps. Please note there might be slight variations in how your POS system processes WIC transactions. Check with your WIC trainer or manager if you have questions. First, scan all items like any transaction. The customer swipes their WIC card as their first form of payment. The system automatically applies eligible benefits. And the beginning balance and WIC purchase preview receipts will print. Give the customer both receipts to review and wait for approval. The customer presses yes on the POS pin pad device to approve the WIC amount. The customer will pay any remaining balance with another form of payment. Final receipts will print with the ending WIC balance. Common mistakes to avoid. Not showing the customer the beginning balance and purchase preview receipts. Saying or pointing out the customer is using WIC. Not calling for help when unsure. And forgetting to give the customer their final receipt. What to do when items don't go through. Stay calm and respectful. It's usually a small issue. Work with the customer and use the WIC Foods Guide or WIC Shopper app to check for brand, size, and benefit balance. If you're still unsure, ask your manager. Respect and privacy. Some customers feel nervous or embarrassed. Call it the gold card or benefit card instead of WIC when possible. Never announce WIC aloud or ask unnecessary questions. And as always, treat every customer with patience and respect. When to ask your manager. If you don't know why an item was denied. If the system is acting unexpectedly. Or if a customer gets upset and you're unsure how to help. Final steps. Make sure the customer sees what was covered. Review the total balance and remaining benefits. Thank them and hand them their receipt. Thank you. Your support makes a real difference for Vermont families. If you have additional questions, ask your manager or WIC coordinator.